Hello friends! Welcome to our YouTube quiz channel. Today, we have an exciting challenge for you. Guess the animal name by the first two letters. We'll give you the first two letters of an animal, and you'll have to guess the full name. Are you ready? Let's get started. Starting with E-L. Which animal is it? Great job! Elephant is correct. Keep it up! The letters T-I start which animal? Tiger it is! You're off to a roaring start! With L-I, what animal comes to mind? Lion is correct! Keep going strong! G-O are the first letters of which animal? Gorilla it is! You're doing great! Think of an animal starting with K-O. Koala is correct! You're really good at this! Which animal begins with FL? Flamingo is correct! You're on a roll! Guess the animal with CR at the beginning. Crocodile it is! Keep going strong! You are the first letters of which animal? Turtle is correct. You're doing great. Starting with PE, which animal is it? Penguin it is. Keep it up. Which animal name starts with K-I? Kingfisher is correct. You're flying high. Starting with AN. Which animal is it? Antelope is correct. Keep going strong. GI starts the name of which animal? Giraffe it is. Keep it up. KA are the first letters of which animal? Kangaroo it is. You're hopping to success. Think of an animal starting with LO. Loris is correct. Keep it up. HEM-E starts the name of which animal? Meerkat it is. You're doing fantastic. Starting with OC. Which animal is it? Octopus is correct. You've completed the quiz. Amazing job, everyone. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes. Until next time, keep quizzing.